What's up, guys? In today's video you're going to be seeing me put together this skid. I have painted it. It is just a wooden skid out of plywood and 2x4s. Very basic. This is version 1 of the DIY cheaper budget build for a truck. You got your soft wash hose, pressure wash hose, garden hose. This is going to be the intro, and it's going to be time-lapse style, and I may do some voiceovers explaining, why I put this stuff here like this. Basically, I'll just go ahead and tell you why I put these at the back. Is for ease of access. I can just stop, pull all these out, get them all straight pulled out, and then go to the house. First thing you do is you pull up passenger side facing the house you're working on or driveway. Pull your garden hose all the way to the customer spigot, and I only use that garden hose or that reel for storage, and then I unhook from that reel, hook straight into the pressure washer. I've also been doing that for this hose reel to reduce restriction. So basically I'm just using this reel for storage pretty much. And 2 barrels, 1 water, 1 bleach, or batch mix. I'm batch mixing right now. This is version 1. Hope you enjoy this video. There will in the future be a second video for version 2 of this skid. I'm currently painting them right now, painting some boards that I've been cutting up and measuring out. All 3 hose reels are going to be on the side of the truck all the way down, and that'll give me up all this room right here for a proportioner soft wash system. It'll be standing up against that, and then I will be plumbing those to hold only bleach and water and not a batch mix of one and water together. Hopefully the audio is good for you guys. I lost my little clip-on things, but yeah, that's where we're at. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Right now on version 1, to use the soft wash pump, I'm just picking it up and putting the drop stick down into the drum that I want to use for right now until I get it mounted somewhere. And the battery, I just sit over in that corner and plug up the switch to it. Every job doesn't take 2 minutes. Alright, hope you enjoy this video.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do
guys, so what I've done off camera is I've put the hose reels together during the night, and now we're going to be mounting those onto the platform. So I went ahead and pre-marked where the hose are. The hose are on the inside of the hose reel. That's where you can see it. You can see right there is 2 of them. There's also 2 right next to this. I went ahead and marked them with a screwdriver. We just got to drill these out using 5/16 bolts. Orienting these to have this one over here, the soft wash hose, right side. This one, I'm putting it on the left side because when I had it flipped around, it was just too close, and I know I'm gonna nick up my knuckles, so I'm gonna put it on the left side. It's getting pretty windy out here. Alright, basically I'm just going to be putting these into the hole. Once I get them down, I'm going to put a little nut, like so, 5/16. And yeah, I'm going to start at the back, that way I can reach my hand under there and tighten the nut and then work my way forward. So I will see you guys in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here is an explainer of my very simple but very effective, cheap truck skid build. Skid's made out of cheap plywood and some 2x4s. Got a pump sprayer for like F9 bark. I just put the wand down in the pressure washer. That's why I left it on the tires as well, so there's no vibrations in the motor, all that stuff, if you mount it directly to the plywood. That's trash I gotta throw away from today. I had some leftover pool essentials and stuff. An iron hose reel. Now iron you cannot put bleach through, which is why I do not downstream at the moment, but if I were, this downstream does not work anymore. I would have to put on a new downstream here, bypass the reel, unhook from the reel, hook up to the downstream. Here is the soft wash hose, which is what I'm going to be doing right now today. And then there is a cheap garden hose reel, as you can tell. It is pretty much just for storage, and that is it. This is a stainless steel reel because we run bleach through it, so it will last longer. Not an iron reel. They look the same, but they are not swivels, even though they will not move. They do not move. Yeah, I've been bypassing the reel, actually, less restriction. And then we got a bleach tank on the right and a water tank on the left. Bleach tank is a batch mix. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. It's very nice to use, easy to use.